Welcome to today's Indian latest defense news roundup. Here are the important highlights of the day. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, a leading defense public sector company, is moving fast towards securing a crucial contract to supply light utility helicopters for the Indian Army and Indian Air Force. The contract is expected to be signed in the second quarter of 2025, which will be a significant step towards replacing the aging fleet of World War II-era Cheetah and Chetak helicopters. The LUH has been designed and developed by HAL's Rotary Wing Research and Design Center to meet the operational requirements of the Indian Army Aviation Corps and the Indian Air Force. The helicopter received initial operational clearance for the Indian Army in February 2021, which helped in moving the process of its certification forward. A critical component of the LUH is its flight control system software, which is undergoing rigorous testing to ensure its reliability and performance. This software has two main parts, one for basic stabilization and the other for more advanced flight control, which have now been successfully installed in the LUH airframe. HAL is conducting certification trials of the system to ensure that the aircraft meets Indian military standards. As part of the initial procurement, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited aims to deliver 12 LUHs to the Indian Army and 6 to the Indian Air Force. This is only the initial phase of a larger plan to supply a total of 225 light utility helicopter, which are set to replace the aging fleet of Cheetah, Chetak, and Chetal helicopters. Negotiations are currently underway for the procurement of 110 light utility helicopter, and once the contract is finalized, HAL plans to scale up production to meet the Indian Army's requirements. The important news coming up is that at the annual press conference held at the Manekshaw Center in New Delhi on Monday, General Upendra Dwivedi, the Chief of the Indian Army, made a significant announcement regarding artillery modernization. He revealed plans to procure approximately 307 advanced towed artillery gun systems worth around 8,000 crore before the end of this financial year. The Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System represents a major leap in India's defense manufacturing capabilities, being developed by DRDO in collaboration with private sector partners. This 155mm, 52 caliber gun system is designed for high-altitude operations, enhancing the Army's long-range precision strike capabilities. General Dwivedi emphasized that this procurement not only signifies a substantial investment in modern artillery, but also reflects the Indian Army's commitment to upgrading its weapon systems amid evolving security challenges along its borders. The financial commitment underscores the strategic importance of artillery in contemporary warfare, where firepower and precision are critical. The next big update is that the Gas Turbine Research Establishment, a key research organization under the Defense Research and Development Organization, has confirmed significant advancements in its dry Kaveri engine. This engine boasts 75% commonality with the original Kaveri engine and is now ready for future defense applications, including unmanned combat aerial vehicles for the Indian Air Force. GTRE has successfully addressed many challenges faced by the original Kaveri engine. All major issues have been rectified in the dry Kaveri, enhancing its reliability and efficiency through extensive testing. A notable upgrade in the dry Kaveri is the new high distortion-capable fan, designed to work with the serpentine air intake system. This design is essential for the upcoming 13-ton remotely piloted strike aircraft program, ensuring optimal performance even under challenging flight conditions. The dry Kaveri engine is specifically tailored for the 13-ton RSPA, a next-generation UCAV intended to serve as a strategic bomber. By integrating this engine into the platform, GTRE and DRDO aim to provide the IAF with a reliable indigenous propulsion system. The development of the 13-ton RSPA is part of India's broader strategy to enhance air combat capabilities through autonomous systems. This UCAV will improve precision strike capabilities while reducing risks to human pilots during high-risk missions. As testing and integration of the dry Kaveri engine continue, its deployment in the RSPA will enhance the operational readiness of the Indian Air Force. This advancement signifies India's growing prowess in defense innovation and could lead to future breakthroughs in unmanned systems development. According to the latest information, Astr Defense has announced that production of its latest product, the Phantom Pistol, is now in full swing. This compact firearm features an innovative red dot sight, marking a significant advancement in providing Indian civilians with high-quality self-defense options. The Phantom pistol combines aesthetics and functionality, offering a sleek profile without compromising capacity or accuracy. It is notable for being India's first pistol equipped with a factory-calibrated red dot sight, enhancing shooting precision. To improve accessibility, Astr Defense has introduced a direct delivery service for the Phantom pistol, allowing customers to receive the firearm at their doorsteps. An official from Astr Defense highlighted their commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction with this initiative. The Phantom's high-capacity magazine and ergonomic design position it competitively in the market, coinciding with rising interest in personal defense among Indian citizens. However, buyers must comply with strict legal requirements for firearm ownership, including obtaining necessary licenses, with Astr Defense ensuring all sales are conducted within the legal framework. The next major news is that India's indigenous anti-tank missile, NAG-MK2, successfully completed its field evaluation trials at the Pokhran field range in Rajasthan. The trials were conducted in the presence of senior officers from the Indian Army, with the missile demonstrating exceptional precision by destroying all designated targets. 3 field trials validated the missile's firing range, confirming its capabilities at both maximum and minimum ranges. The NAG missile carrier version 2 was also evaluated, making the entire weapon system ready for induction into the Indian Army. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh congratulated DRDO, the Indian Army, and industry stakeholders for the successful trials. He highlighted the significance of this achievement for India's defense capabilities. DRDO Chairman Dr. Samir V. Kamat praised the collaborative efforts that led to the missile's readiness for induction. The NAG-MK2 is designed to counter modern armored threats, showcasing India's advancements in defense technology. The latest news is that the Southern Command of the Indian Army held its investiture ceremony at the Bombay Engineers Parade Ground in Pune, showcasing the robotic mules, a quadruped unmanned ground vehicle designed for reconnaissance and perimeter security. These robotic mules are also set to take part in the upcoming Republic Day Parade. In a notable development, the Indian Army will host the Army Day Parade 2025 in Pune on January 15th, which will be held in Maharashtra for the first time. The initiative is part of a rotation across various cities, having previously been held in Bengaluru and Lucknow. The selection of Pune for the 2025 parade underlines its historic ties with the armed forces and its role as the headquarters of the Southern Command. This year's parade will feature marching contingents, mechanized columns, and technological displays, including a display of advanced defense technologies such as drones and robotics. Prior to the parade, a Know Your Army exhibition will be held in early January, giving residents a chance to explore advanced weapons and interact with soldiers. The initiative aims to promote inclusiveness and unity, turning the Army Day Parade into a national celebration of courage and technological advancement.